Hare Krishna, dear friends.
Hare Krishna, dear devotees.
So, today we are going to speak about 6 wonderful life-changing tips which will help us improve our japa significantly. I hope you are all having a wonderful weekday, and please get your bead bags because as we discuss these tips, let us try to apply them while chanting. As we always do, we'll first do some Harinam and then we will talk about the teachings from our Acharyas. I will share with you 6 wonderful tips which will help us improve our japa, and then we will do a few more pastimes, a wonderful short story, and more Harinam. So friends, let's get started with the prayers which we offer in the beginning, and then please participate in Harinam with us. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Om Ajnana Timirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Shri Chaitanya Manubhishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamaiham Dadati Sapadantikam. Namo Vishnu Pradaya Krishna Prashaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine. Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Please join us for some Harinam, and then we'll get started right away with the 6 wonderful life-changing tips about better chanting, better japa. Dear devotees, dear friends, I hope the tips and strategies we share with you in these episodes for improving japa are helping many of us. And now, last time we actually talked about, last 2 actually talks we did about we should be careful about offenseless chanting knowing that we could have a lot of anarthas in our hearts and we could be unintentionally committing offenses against other living entities. So today I want to share the 6 tips further, and these tips are from the book called The Art of Chanting by Mahanidhi Swami. It may already have been shared maybe in this group by others, but it's always wonderful to revisit such nice teachings which we can apply in our life again and again. So the first tip, it's about Sambandh Gyan. Sambandh means relationship. And in case of spiritual life, when we talk about relationship, are we talking about relationship between a girl and a boy, a girlfriend and a boyfriend, or family? No. We have to understand here we are talking about relationship between the soul and the super soul. So to properly chant japa, we must have the basic knowledge of material world, about God, about the living entity, Jiva, and their relationship. In brief, the Sambandh Gyan means knowing, believing, accepting, and realizing that Bhagwan, Sri Krishna, is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and that we are Krishna's eternal servants, linked to him by the bond of what? Bond of orders? Bond of benedictions? No, by bond of love, prem. The living relationship between us and the Lord, Sri Krishna, is eternal, and it can be uncovered by chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, which is the most powerful, purifying, and liberating spiritual vibration in the entire universe. So this is the information we should constantly be aware of, that all living entities have a relationship with God, okay? And to understand it better, we read the teachings of Acharyas, we read the pastimes of the Lord, but most important of all, in this Kali age, we can understand that starting by chanting of the holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So this Sambandh Gyan, which I talked about earlier, so when we chant japa with this knowledge that Krishna is the supreme, he is the supreme controller, he is the supreme benefactor, a supreme well-wisher of all living entities, and we are the tiny souls who are in eternal loving relationship with him, and in forgetfulness we are caught in this worldly entanglement. And so these kind of distractions which come in our life are due to our forgetfulness. So as we keep reminding ourselves, slowly we'll observe that we are chanting with more faith, and certainly that will improve our japa, isn't it?
Yes.
So the second point, Nam Mahima. We should read the glories of the holy name. And this is the reason we started these sessions on the glories of the holy name. Because, I will share something from my personal realization. Some time back, actually, I started reading material on the glories of the holy name. I started reading the teachings and a lot of lectures from a lot of devotees. And I observed that slowly my faith started building up, and I learned a lot in this process. And before that, my chanting used to be more mechanical. I mean, even though I understand chanting is the yug dharma, and I should try to be attentive, I should develop attachment and attraction, but somehow it was not happening for me. And now also, I need to put in efforts. I need to make an endeavor. But when we read about Nam Mahima, or the glories of the holy name, that is where we start learning And when we learn, we apply practically those teachings. Do you want to add something, Prabhuji?
It is very important for us to understand the importance of chanting. So this is a story with respect to that. This man, all his life, he was just earning wealth to live happily and richly. But he was not happy, of course, as we know, because he was so much running after the wealth, and soon his last moment arrived. So he asked his servant to go quickly. He said that, my dear servant, go to the market and get a tulsi mala, because I have seen these devotees chanting and they're always happy. All my life I was working so hard, but I'm never happy. So the servant was surprised. He said, what? He said, yes, I want to chant the holy name. So the servant immediately ran to the market to get a tulsi bead. So by the time he returned with the japmala, tulsi beads, his master had already expired. But at the last moment of his life, at the moment of death, when he was, Yamdutas had come, right? Just like in the case of Ajamil we heard. And they were about to catch him, but before they could even get him in the noose, what did they see? That the Vishnu Dutas have come. And they said, no. This person has not yet chanted. Ajamil chanted Narayan, Narayan, so he was safe. But this person has not chanted. Now Yamdutas were giving this argument, but Vishnu Dutas said, in the case of Ajamil, he chanted the holy name, and so he got second chance. But in this case, this man who had never chanted the holy name had such a strong, pure desire that we are not going to give him second chance, we are going to take him right away to Vaikuntha. And so the Yamdutas were surprised. Just by having the desire, this person who had never chanted, the holy name is so potent that having the desire itself satisfies. So that's why in this age it is said that one should have very strong desire. But yes, we are not at the moment of death, so we should make an endeavor to chant with that desire, with that, determination and attraction, fully absorption. Yes, Hare Krishna.
So every day, before chanting japa, let us preach to our mind about the glories, identity and powers of Lord Krishna, actually Sri Radha Krishna's holy names, by reading verses that glorify Krishna's holy name, Radha's holy name. Example, there are some examples. Nam Chintamani Krishna's Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha Punarshuddho Nitya Mukto Bhinatvam Nama Namino. I will quickly read the meaning of this verse. It's very beautiful. The holy name of Krishna is transcendently blissful. It bestows all spiritual benedictions, for it is Krishna himself. Name is not different than the Lord himself. It is the reservoir of all pleasure. Krishna's name is complete, and it is the form of all transcendental mellows. It is not a material name under any condition, and it is no less powerful than Krishna himself. Since Krishna's name is not contaminated by material qualities, there is no question of it being involved with Maya. Krishna's name is always liberated and spiritual. It is never conditioned by laws of material nature. This is because the name of Krishna and Krishna himself are identical. Alright, let's do some Harinam. Please join us.
Hare
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So, Bhagwan Krishna's holy name is also called Chintamani, a thought gem, and the object that fulfills one's desires. So normally for people in material consciousness, Bhagwan ka naam or the holy name, people think that it gives dharma, arth, kam, moksha, religiosity, wealth, sense gratification, liberation. But to a sincere, pure-hearted sadhak or a devotee, the Chintamani name gives pure, unalloyed, sweet love for Radha and Krishna. Shri Krishna's holy name is beginningless, unlimited, fully conscious, and inseparable from the infinite consciousness, Supreme Lord Himself. So whatever is in Bhagwan Krishna, whatever is in Bhagwan Krishna is in the holy name. So for the two are non-different. Krishna's holy name is eternally situated in pure goodness, Shuddh Sattva, and free from all material contamination. And we can experience that. You remember the other day I shared with you all Shikshashtakam, and the first verse says Cheto Darpan Marjanam. It cleanses the mirror of our heart. All the contaminations from millions and millions of life, karodo janmo ke contaminations are cleansed away. In such a state, pure state, we chant the holy names. So now by chanting of the name of Krishna, we will realize and see Krishna's beautiful sweet form, qualities and pastimes with this divine vibration of Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Let's all chant together. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
All right, so far we discussed two important tips for improving our japa. First one was Sambandh Gyan, and second was the glories of the holy name. And the third one is Nam Aprad. Okay, we should avoid the 10 offenses to the holy names. Maybe we will do a separate talk on this. What are the 10 offenses against the holy name? So for now, let us understand we should avoid making any offenses, because inattention or carelessness is the cause of all other offenses. Therefore, we should be very careful at all costs to avoid inattention and its three varieties. I will tell you what are the three kinds of offenses due to inattention. Number 1, indifference or lack of attraction. It means we are not putting our heart in chanting because of our other attachments which are pulling our attention away from chanting of the holy names. So what is the second kind of inattentive japa? Laziness. Don't we all experience laziness at some or other point? So this means chanting with a dull mind, pausing in between a round and stopping japa to take rest. Laziness can be overcome by taking a vow to always chant a minimum of, let us say, 4 rounds whenever we sit for japa. And what is the third kind of inattentive chanting? Inattentive japa, third kind is distraction. Distraction means instead of Shri Krishna's all attractive, sweet holy name, our mind fixes its attention on other people, money, our progress, position. There are so many reasons to be distracted. So if we desire to please Krishna, to obtain Krishna Prem, we must chant holy name by carefully avoiding each of the 10 offenses, and in our heart we must beg at the lotus feet of the Lord, at the lotus feet of Sri Nam Prabhu and Lord Gauranga, to give mercy to destroy the offenses. If we feel truly repentant and continuously keep chanting, then the offenses will go away and fruit of the holy name will appear in form of Shuddha Nam, Bhav Nam and Prem Nam. This is what is mentioned in this book, Art of Chanting. Ready for some Harina? Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
So, we have discussed 3 tips for improving japa, And these are really life-changing tips. I have experienced it. So that is the reason I am bringing this subject here to share with all of you, because from my heart, I really want as many of you possible to understand this and apply it practically. And please let me know your thoughts, your realizations, your reflections. At any time, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them. Or if you already have applied these tips, please share some thoughts. The fourth strategy or tip is Mantra Artha Chintanam, which means meditate on the meaning of the mantra with the japa. So while chanting the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, we should meditate on the meaning of the holy name while hearing the transcendental vibration. So, in his book, Naam Bhajan, Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur, he says, while chanting japa, we must explain the meaning of the holy name to our mind in order to quickly purify our heart, because the holy name, to cause the holy name to appear personally before our spiritual eyes. So this is actually, if you pay attention, this is a very simple way. You might have already experienced it, or you may be following it, but if we mechanically chant something without understanding its meaning, it's ineffective. It has no effect. We should understand the meaning, and this is a tip, because as we chant, if we keep reminding ourselves the meaning of the mantra, then we will chant from heart. Isn't it, Prabhuji?
Yes.
Do you want to
What
add?
is the meaning of the mantra?
What is the meaning? Please
Yeah,
share.
Srila Prabhupada explains that this is transcendental sound vibration, not the sound from this material world. And it is like the cry of a child we should be calling out to the Lordship. And it's a prayer to Mother Radha. Radha is Hare in this mantra. With love, Hara is called Hare. We are calling out to our Divine Mother and our Divine Father, Hare and Krishna, to please engage us in their services. So again, that is the call. It's a prayer. It's also devotional service, but it's also asking for devotional service. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
So how do you like the points so far? They seem sensible. I mean, it only seems very practical to follow these things during our japa. The fifth point is about surrender or Sharanagati. We should chant in a mood of surrender. Now, let's revisit this topic. Now, what does really surrender mean? How does it really apply during chanting? While chanting, we should cultivate the 6 attitudes of surrender as mentioned in our scriptures. They are, number 1, happily accept whatever increases your Krishna Bhakti. And you can comment there which one do you like most. You can apply it right away. Just mention in the comments. So first one is happily accept whatever increases your Krishna Bhakti. Disdainfully reject anything which impedes your Krishna Bhakti. So in short, accept everything favorable for Bhakti and reject everything which is unfavorable for Bhakti to Krishna. Believe fully that Krishna is our only protector and depend on Krishna alone. Okay, this is the third point. Fourth point is be convinced that Bhagwan is our only real and eternal maintainer and provider. Fifth point, think of ourselves as low, worthless, unqualified, and without possession, which means we should do it in a very humble state of mind. And sixth one has to also do with humbly accept our position as Sri Krishna's eternal servant and willing to do whatever Krishna desires. So these are the 6 points. They are not easily applicable like right away, but we can begin with 1 point, right? We can start making the right choices, accept what is favorable, reject what is unfavorable, while we do japa, and slowly we'll get there. And we can also keep a humble mood. Trinadapi sunichena
tarorapi
sahishruna amanena manadena kirtanya sadahari. This is the third instruction in the set of 8 instructions by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in the prayers called Sri Shikshashtakam. So there is a great emphasis. We should do services in a mood of humility. So we should reject the false notion that we are the doers, the supreme controller, the supreme protector, and that we own everything we have. We should accept wholeheartedly that Bhagwan is the factual owner, controller, and doer. And actually, this is the key to the peace formula also. When there is peace in our heart and mind, then we can be steady in our sadhana. But if we are very disturbed, how can we peacefully engage in bhakti of Lord? So, we should try to act or have faith in what the Lord desires, what is the will of the Lord, and not according to our individual wants. And we should always think that in life, in liberation, in misery, or in happiness, we are a humble servant of the Lord. So this was the point about Sharanagati, or the surrender. So before we go to the last point, which is about prayers or the Vandanam, let us all get together and wholeheartedly again chant together. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
So the last tip here in this article is about Vandanam, or the prayers to the holy name. Chanting the holy name is a prayer itself, but we can pray to the Lord so we can improve our japa. Before chanting, we should recite different prayers to the holy name that will purify our mind, create a feeling of humility, and establish the mood of service, seva bhav, in our mind. And let me share with you, I have a collection of prayers here which are very beautiful, but due to shortage of time, because we want to chant one mala of japa together, so let me share particular prayer here which is very beautiful. O Shri Nam Prabhu, O Shri Nam Prabhu, may I always accept everything that is favorable for serving and chanting the holy name. May I instantly reject everything that is unfavorable for serving your holy name. May I have full faith that Shri Krishna's holy name is my only protector and my only maintainer. O holy name, may I moment to moment feel myself as low and worthless, and thus surrender all the actions of my body, mind, and words at your divine lotus feet. O holy name, may I constantly recognize and rectify any mistakes in chanting. May I continually improve the quality and quantity of my chanting while diligently avoiding all the apradhs. So, this is what I really wanted to bring to everyone's life today. I hope all of us can remember this. And if anybody needs any further information or link to this information, please let us know in comments and I'll try to help you. Now let us all please get our bead bags. Let us chant one mala of Hare Krishna Mahamantra. First we will chant Panch Tattva Mantra. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Ram Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Ram Hare Krishna Hare Ram. Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare 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 Ram Hare Krishna Hare Ram Hare Hare Krishna Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna Hare Ram Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Ram Ram Hare Krishna Hare Hare Krishna Hare Ram Hare Krishna Hare Ram Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Ram Hare Krishna Hare Ram Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna Hare Ram Hare Krishna Hare Ram Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna Hare Ram Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Shri Krishna Chaitanya Nityananda, Shri Advaita Gadadhar, Shri Vasudeva,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita Gadadhar, Shivasadi Gaur Bhaktivinoda.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
So I hope many of you could join us in the chanting session today. So towards the end, I would like to say that we can learn so much from the scriptures and get all the knowledge, and that's good. We should learn all that, to be able to share with other people too. It's a sign of love. We are sharing the love of Krishna with everyone, the holy names. But our real aim should be getting the taste for the holy names. So one day we can dance in ecstasy and feel the transcendental joy and happiness and share with others. So Srila Prabhupada was giving a lecture in Hawaii once, okay? And he gave a very deep philosophical lecture. And then at the end of the lecture, you know what he said? He closed the book. And he said, what is the use of all this philosophy? We simply want to know what is in Krishna's lunchbox.
Yes.
So we need to, again develop this taste for chanting. And of course, it comes first and foremost through humility, service attitude, and a service attitude towards the Vaishnavas. And then Krishna will help us because Krishna is Bhavagrahi Janardhan. Please join us for some more Harinam and happy chanting.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna.
So, dear friends, please try to chant as much possible. We still have one more day, actually 1.5 maybe, depending on the time zone for Purushottam month. Every day is Krishna's day, actually. Every day is auspicious. But to keep our enthusiasm going, Purushottam month, we have till Friday. So please chant as much possible and try to apply these teachings and instructions and the tips. Let us know what is your experience. Thank you for joining us. Happy chanting.
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna.